Namaste. I am Narsimhan, Sanskrit teacher, taking online Sarnotsava class for students 11th standard Kendra Vidyalaya Nanagar. I welcome students of 11th standards to take part in this Sarnotsava program through online. Dear students, all of you know Kendra Vidyalayas, they are taking Sarnotsava class program they are conducting for last 2-3 years. Generally, this Tarnotsava program they will organize to the students of 11th standard, those who are just completed 10th examinations and before joining 11th standard. The Tarnotsava program, the aim of Tarnotsava program is to motivate the students of 11th standard and to create confidence in their mind in different field of the education. The Tarnotsava program they will organize to students. Some of the Tarnotsava programs are conducting art, craft program, music, and some of the subject specialists, and likewise they will invite the experts from the different field. They will organize, they will conduct Tarnotsava program to the students of 11th standard. It is the time very important for the 11th standard students. Generally, after completing class 10th standard, and students of 11th standard, they do think which kind of the stream they should opt for 11th standard, or they would like to continue their higher education even after 12th, whether to learn or to study engineering or medicine or to become any kind of the different field experts, a musician or the great poet or political leaders, but not many, but not even to become a teacher. So they will have a lot of the things in their mind. It will always, they will think for selecting the stream or subjects. Class 1 to 10, it is the common for all the students, compulsory subject to learn English, math, science, physics, chemistry, languages, art, craft. These all things are compulsory education 1 to 10. There is no much more opportunity or choice for their level to select the subjects in there. But coming to 11th onwards, even going to the college, it is a freedom for them to choose the subject as they wish by own. So keeping this in their mind, the KVS would like to conduct some Tarnotsava program. It is the right time to the students of 11th standard to decide their subject in 11th standard to opt or the stream, whichever. And by this Tarnotsava program, the different field experts will address to the students and they will motivate definitely you students will get the benefit of this. You can select some of the subjects as per your choice. After this 10 days, by discussing with your parents and the elders and getting advice from the teachers, or according to your interest, you are free to choose the subject and stream in class 11th standard. Even in the college, you are having another opportunity to select some of the subject, but it should be based on the 11th and 12th standard basic subjects only. So it is a good opportunity for you all learning through some other than the subjects. The subject which they will give assignment, homework, project and all here in Tarunotsav program, we don't have anything such kind of. Only interacting or some of the interesting, you can interact with the teachers and you can discuss, you can clarify your doubts. These all are the good opportunity for 11th standard students. In this regard, I am today getting one of the opportunity to address 11th standard students in Tarunotsav program. The topic they have given to me that the great leaders, poets of the nation or country and soldiers. I would like to take some of the great leaders, which all of you know well enough, and we will discuss about their achievements in this session. So, it is a good opportunity for you all, and to me also. I really thank Principal K.V. Annanagar has given me this opportunity to address the students of 11th standard in Tarunotsav program, and our J. Uma Madam, who is in charge of this Tarunotsav program. Madam has given me a good opportunity to meet through this online to the students of 11th standard. So students, let us discuss today some of the great leaders in this session. The session will go for 40 minutes. Once again, I welcome every one of you to take part in this Tarunotsava program, Antarjal Tarunotsava Karyakram, Kendra Vidyalaya, Annanagar, Chennai 40. Now, as I said you the topic, yes, given to me the freedom fighter, leaders, poets, even the great Air Force fighters. Some recent one, you will be knowing this all of them generally. So though I have given you here, which is very popular and familiar and famous, already you studied, you know about them, and it is the time to recall those great leaders and the people, so that it is the time for you to choose your own way of in learning, opting the subjects in future. In this connection, I would like to tell you all that they have given me the topic. By this, we are going to discuss about these all the great peoples, soldiers, scientists and poets. They are, number one is well known, the great freedom fighter, and he is father of the nation. One is Mahatma Gandhi, and the second is very famous and popular poet and great person, the sage and the Tamil language. From the Tamil language, the great person is Thiruvalluvar. And third one is the scientist background. Oh, one who is very popular and famous is Aryabhatta. And fourth one is very, very interesting, which today also we all are having experience with this great person and inspiring us. Yes, Bill Gates. And another one, the recent incident who was sacrificing his life for Indian nation, the year 2019 it happened. Abhinandan Vardhaman, who was there in great person in Air Force fighter. About him we will discuss. And another one is from the Mahabharata story. You know, another one more revolution or innovative thinking person is Ekalavya, who was introducing in those days itself self-learning system without teacher to learn, and he is best in archery also. There are so many percent students, we don't have that much time to discuss about this all the people, though even I have given here listed 5-6 of them to talk about them, each one of them we talk, it will take for days together to discuss about them. But the time, within the time limit, I would like to address. So we discuss for each and every one of them for 1 or 2 lines only. We'll take for Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi is the national father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. You know, Mahatma Karamchand Gandhi, and born in 2nd October 1869, 30 January and 1948. This and all. Basically, you will be knowing about him. The was Indian lawyer, anti-colonial, nationalist, and political ethics, and who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspire movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. By reading this line itself, you will be understanding. Is another one more person we have to learn to become as a freedom fighter and a social service to involve ourselves to the country. And what is his speciality? You know, Gandhi was speaking the Satya, the truth, and movement called Satyagraha. See the learned from the Mahatma Gandhi this, which means appeal to the insist on and reliance on the truth. So the speaking the truth is very much important, as already we were teaching to you all to speak truth is one of the good quality of Satyam Vada, Dharmam Chara. We all are used to advise to you on speak always the truth. And Mahatma Gandhi also was practicing this in his life and speaking the truth. The history of this, all of you know, when he was seeing the drama of Harishchandra. I was telling to you when I was taking classes in 6, 7, 8, Harishchandra drama. Harishchandra was one of the clean person for speaking the truth in those days. He was the best king also. When he was seeing that drama, he learned from that time to speak the truth. From that day onwards, he promised himself that he will speak only the truth. That is the Satyagraha movement of Satyagraha. He started speaking the truth from that day. There is one story behind this, every one of you know generally. In one line I will tell. When the inspector visited the school for inspecting the school, students, learning performance, and that day when they were, this is the story you can learn, when they were testing spelling for kettle, the word, Mahatma Gandhi was not knowing the spelling, though the friends of the Gandhiji And teacher also indirectly telling the spelling to him when the inspector was, his attention was in some other side, and Gandhi was not turned and he was not interested to listen the words from them and to copy from them. It is the students to learn. See, Gandhi was having good quality because he was not knowing. Once he was not knowing, he doesn't want to make himself as a fool. So he doesn't want to tell. Even the friends were telling the spelling for the word kettle. He doesn't like to tell. Though they may scold afterwards, the teacher or inspector or friends, they may say that he was not bothered. So that is the story of this behind this. So he learned this Sandal. Very basic is Gandhi based Satyagraha movement. From the resources of learning, he studied these other things. From the Satyagraha, from the Hindu Upanishads, he was taking. And it is the philosophy from the Vedic. And the Satyagraha Advaita Vedanta, which was given in the philosophy of the Advaita, the great teacher, Jagadguru, Shankaracharya was explaining about this, and he was also following the Satya that Mahatma Gandhi was also following this. Not only from Hinduism, you can read this paragraph, and also from Jainism and Buddhism also he has taken this to practice in his life. And Satya is a civil movement, Satya. Glenn Richards also best understood into the context of the Hindu terminology of the Dharma and Rita. So this is the very famous wordings and following Hindu Dharma, and Rita means Satya speaking. So students, you can learn and follow such kind of the great person's life and whatever they were practicing, and to become the great leader of this nation, to do service for the country, such kind of the subjects, if you do like to opt, and as per your choice, it is another one more chance for you to inculcate the qualities of the leaders, and you can practice. The next slide we can discuss, and it is a very famous and popular person. You all will be knowing about him, Thiruvalluvar. The Thiruvalluvar, the great person, he is the father of the Tamil language. Thiruvalluvar, commonly known as Valluvar was a celebrated Tamil poet and philosopher. He is the best known as the author of Tirukkural. It is a collection of couplets on ethics, political and economical matter. This is, those who are in Tamil Nadu, they though are not studying, but they will be knowing. He wrote one book, it is called Tirukkural. In this, he was taking the couplets of the slokas which we say, and great poet, best person. He was discussing in Tamil language about chapters discussing the dealing with ethics, moral, and political issues, and in economical matters and all he was discussing. There are three parts that the Kural literature is divided into, namely, basically in that one is he was discussing these four things in his textbook. It is called in Tamil language Aram, and second thing is Porul, third one is Inbam, and fourth also freedom from the next birth. These four things he was discussing, and simply to understand, he used to say the words like following: one is dharma, another is artha, another is kama, another is moksha. These four topics only he was describing in the manner of Aram, Porul, Inbam, and freedom from the birth. Likewise, dharma means what? You know, the duties, whatever the duties are given to us to follow, that he described very nice manner in his Tirukkural. Artha means wealth, money. After dharma, you will do the duty, you will get money. It is a simple link between dharma and artha. And kama means what desire. After the artha, it has a link with artha, money, whatever you desire in the world. You will get it through this money or property. And another is moksha, which we say there is no rebirth again in the world, freedom from the rebirth. These four things are basically required for the human beings. The purpose of life is here in the world. Yes. Why we have taken birth in the world? Because of these four things to get and to achieve this purpose. So each one is linked one by one. From moksha is linked with kama, kama is linked with artha, artha is linked with dharma. The root of these three things is dharma, means duty. Dharma means simple meaning is here duty. And Vallava and some of his verse and saying, it is one or two Tirukural I have taken students, though all of you know, some are able to read it, some are not able. It's okay, you can listen. And Tirukural is the primary work of the great poet, how he was composing the poems. Work credited to Tiruvalluvar, it contains 1330 couplets, which are divided into 133 sections of 10 couplets each. And one or two, three I have taken from the Katradhanal Aya Payanin Kol Waller even Natral Todar Enin. The meaning of this Kural, Sulaka is, what is the benefit of learning? Benefit of learning is if you respect the elders. See, very simple manner he is teaching. And his Subhashita Slokas likewise, as we say in poem. And Piravi Pirinkadal Ninduvar Nindar Irevan Nadi Sevada. Birth, taking after the Piravi means birth. The Pirinkadal Ninduvar Nindar. Pirinkadal, the life itself very big ocean. In that, how to swim, until we reach the God, we have to swim. The essence of this poem is that ultimately the blessings of the God is very much important. It is what the essence say from this. Anbilar Yellam Tamak Kuriyar Anbudayar Enmum Kuriyar Pirak. The Anmum is what the affection, the love and affection is very much important in the world for us. And it is what he is also giving due weightage to show love and affection with everything in the world, not only for human beings. You have the affection with everybody. I can say to you definitely, if you are having affection with everybody, and everybody will listen your words, means everybody under your control. Such a beautiful manner, very simple manner, the poet is explaining and giving the good advice to the nation. The beauty is which he has written in Tamil language. Across the world it is very popular, and not only in Tamil Nadu they are learning this Tirukural, even in abroad countries also they are learning. Another one very important for attitude, like இனிய உலவாக இன்னாத கூறல் கனி இருப்ப காய் கவர்ந்தற்று. See, you are knowing well good words to speak with others. Try to speak always good words only. Never speak harsh words, very difficult manner, or scolding, or hurting somebody. To make you understand this concept, he would like to give you one advice to you all. To make one example, There are two things in the market. One is fruit, which is ready to eat. Another is one not ready. That is used to say காய். காயா இருக்கிறது எப்படி சாப்பிட முடியும்? That is very simple Tamil language. காயும் இருக்கு பழமும் இருக்கு. காய் வேணுமா பழம் வேணுமா? Very simple. Everybody used to take only the padam fruits. That is what he wants to say. You know to speak good words as well as say not even the good words. He is just comparing with this fruit. It is ready to eat. Koi and padam likewise. So which you know to speak good words, that is like a fruit which is ready to eat. And which is you hurt someone else in the world, that is equivalent to the koi which is not ready to eat, because what is the benefit of eating that, or what is the reaction? It will be having a bitter taste. That is what we want to say. Such kind of the great poet we learned today. You can plan your life skill and you can know about this Tirukural and Tiruvalluvar and also compose some of the poems, not in Tamil language. Any of the language you can compose. It is another one more skill in your life you can adopt. See another one more, the great person, scientist, innovative thinking in those days. Now, he is the great one person is Aryabhatta. What else to speak about Aryabhatta? Generally, the students of science background, those who are learning in the school, you will be knowing about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta's time, birth time and all given here, 476 to 550, was the first of the major mathematician astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. His works include the Aryabhatiya, which mentioned that in 3600 Kali Yuga, between 499 CE, he was 23 years old at the time of writing of Aryabhatta book, author of the Aryabhatta in the Arya Siddhanta. So what they want to mean in this is the best mathematician, astrologer, astronomer. In this best work is, he wrote one book, Aryabhatiya. What is the age of writing? No? At the age of, he was writing the year of 23. Even today, the Aryabhatta is referred in the universities, LRC. And it is translated in all the different languages in across the world that are using Arya Siddhanta. Now it is in a Kali Yuga, 3600 years it is referred. Now the Kali Yuga is right now running 5000 years plus, and means 1500 years ago. See students, you think about what was we were having those days 1000 years back. No any kind of the facilities we were having. No transport, no such kind of the textbooks were available to learn, and no such kind of the labs for making and to for experimentation. To do experimentation, he was having no any kind of lab. In those days, he wrote these all the things. You know, the major work of Aryabhatiya is, and mathematics and astronomy was extensively referred to in Indian mathematical literature and has survived to the modern times. What is the beauty, in which 1000 years ago he wrote his theory and all. Even today, in modern Indian life, modern times, we are able to realize and feel and to understand and to follow. That is the best one of the great person, scientist, mathematician, and innovative thinker in those days. His major was, you will be knowing, place value system and the zero decimal system. He was making this, was written from the Sanskritic tradition from Vedic times. He has taken from the Sanskrit language and denoted the numbers expressing the quantities in those days. You know, students, he has written these all the things in Sanskrit language. That is only translated. Another one more thing is that approximation of the phi theorem. You will be knowing about this. And the motions of the solar system. They were having this solar system. You can read the paragraph, and because of the very less number of time, I will tell you the brief. The rotation of the sky, he was discussing about in his textbook of Aryabhatta in Gola chapter about this, the rotation of the earth. This and all is new innovations. And another one more very, very famous and popular, really we are seeing and we are getting experience in this eclipse. The eclipse, Surya Grahana and Chandra Grahana, which are very popular and famous. What is the reason behind this? The eclipse, Grahanas, the earth and the moon, the shadow of this moon, this and all, generally you will be knowing this and all, his innovation and his theory. He was explaining his theory in those days. The solar and lunar eclipse were scientifically explained by Aryabhatta. It states that the moon and the planets shine by reflected the sunlight. This and all is theory. So no need for more explanation. It is self-explanatory. You will understand. So you can become the best scientist. You can opt for science stream. By this, you can know the due weightage of science subjects in the world. Can also become. Then Bill Gates, the great, another one more percent. Bill Gates, William Henry Gates, born in the year October 28, 1955, is the American business magnate, settler, developer, investor, and a philanthropist. He is the best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the position of chief executive officer. See the position. I need not to give much more explanation about this. The new innovation year 2000, 1999, and the great revolution. The world is behind the computer, Microsoft company. You know, the Microsoft launched his first retail version of Microsoft Windows on November 2019, 1985 itself. See this, Microsoft Corporation co-founder Bill Gates, once the world's richest person, has gained his net worth and moved into the 100 billion club, joining Amazon or Jeff Bezos in the exclusive list of the two men. How much he earned money by this. See this another one more, the great person. You will be knowing about the Bill Gates. You can also, nowadays there are so many subjects based on this computer field. People are opting in computer education, learning, and new things. They are finding new applications, and especially during this pandemic time, students, you know, many of the people are interacting through with the computer only, online learning, video conference they are organizing, conducting. So this and all, another one more evolution in this 2000. So this is and all because of this. Another support of the Microsoft company we are getting. You can also think over about the engineering or computer studies, whatever you opt for the subjects, students, you should learn the best way in your life. Whether it has value or not, or it has low value, depends upon the demand in the market. It will vary the subjects. But whenever we have the skills, anything we can get success in, right? It has no any talent. So develop a lot of the skills from the likewise the leaders. You can develop the skills of the computer education to the kind of the great persons. Another one very important, very important to know the great person is Abhinandan Vardhaman, born here 21 June 1983 as an Indian Air Force fighter pilot who during the year 2019 India-Pakistan standoff was held captive in Pakistan for 60 hours after his aircraft was shot down in an aerial dogfight. You know, they were catching him. After this, he was sacrificing to protect the border, protect the country of India. It is the latest one. Students, it is also our duty to protect the country, protect the nation. Joining in the defense, Air Force or military, some of you all are in NCC, Scout, Guide, likewise. These are all the national service, NSS. And it has some value. And service to the country, service to the nation. And you know, you take his story. And we used to tell all the timings, sacrificing and supporting the country, supporting to the India. It is very much important. Protecting our own nation is very much important for every one of us. As we refer from the Ramayana, what do you know the word? The quotation? Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyas. Api Swarnamayi Lanka Name Lakshmana Rochate. That is the quotations. Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyas. Janani mother, Janma Bhumi the motherland, mother and motherland, these both are greater than the heaven. Means you get the chance to live in the heaven, then you have to sacrifice the heaven and to live in the motherland. And to respect the mother, be with the mother. They give you the chance to live in this Swarga. And you will be opting, I want to live with my mother only, I don't want Swarga. Now what is the benefit of Swarga generally? You know, whatever you desire, you like that, you will be getting in the Swarga. But also you should sacrifice. It is the meaning of this. So, to learn, Abhinandan also in this list was ready to sacrifice his life. You know what happened afterwards? Honorable Prime Minister has given the time to Pakistan and they were bringing him very respect manner that we are going to learn by this. And see how much he is very popular, you know, and he is and Mushtaq. And people were liking him to become popular hero. And everybody were having his Mushtaq Abhinandan cut. It was very popular and famous. We have to inculcate the qualities the people will follow from us also. Some of the good qualities or some of the things if they do like, they want to become, as you all are seeing some of the heroes in the movies, you want to act like them, style or something else, or the how they speak the sentences, dialogues like this, and they will adopt from us also. If you are become great person, you have the such kind of the skill in your life. His achievement to speak, and he was getting on that particular day. Afterwards, the entire nation, entire country was talking about Abhinandan in the media and the paper of his because of his sacrifice mind. That is what is important. So they admitted in the hospital. Slightly he injured, and after from giving the top class treatment to him in the hospital, and everybody was interacting with him in the media, is writing letter to him and asking about his welfare. See that you do service to the nation, people will liking you. And he was getting the chance to meet the media and the great people. Even the ministers were talking with him. On that day, Madam Honorable Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman Madam was there. He was getting the chance to meet the honorable ministers and all those. See? And he is having high spirit and he was very happy to meet honorable ministers in those days. He was very proud of him, of this achievement. Vardhaman had returned to a hero. As a hero, the people of India, they were, you take the media and see on that day what happened. On that particular day, on Friday night, and they have given the time limit for him and the Pakistan to release. They released him. They were handing over with very respectful manner, bringing him and handing over to the India. That day, video clipping you can take and to view. You will be seeing Pakistani authorities had brought him, see, to the Wagah, and after a long wait, and people were standing in the line queue and clapping and putting the garland and bringing him to the India, very great and good manner. So you can choose your own way to become a joining in the army also is one of the chance for even the girls today also. In one of the WhatsApp, I was seeing that girls children are and they are getting a very good benefit for doing service in the army. For they do service 12 years afterwards, they can join in any of the companies in the department of various departments as ex-service. And it is the achievement of Abhinandan Vardhaman that we learned. Another one more person. It is the last slide we would like to address to you. Very, very interesting, very courage and brave person. Best Shishya in the he was there in the world in doing Mahabharata. Was the great person Ekalavya. See the picture also I was sharing to you. The paragraphs in the Mahabharata, Ekalavya was hurt when he was rejected by Dronacharya because of an old pratha was there, where the Rajakula Guru was allowed to teach others, was not allowed to teach others. There was one pratha means what one system was there. They used to teach only the weapons, which is Dhanurvidya, Archery, very, very important, the weapons education. Army, okay, the army, they used to teach only those who are taken birth in the Raja's family only, because they are only going to protect the country. In the meaning. But when they were not giving education to the, rejecting education to the Ekalavya by this, the great Guru Dronacharya, and from the school, really it was hurt to Ekalavya on that day. But he was not leaving that. He creates his confident level again. He is very much interested. His students, we have interest in the world. Nothing will stop in our life. Anyhow, we will do it, we will learn it, and we will practice also. What he made, Ekalavya collected the mud on which his guru was walking on the road, and symbolic gesture of want to follow his knowledge and footsteps. So when the teacher was walking, really was taking some of the mud. See how much he is having Guru Bhakti towards the teacher. He was collected the mud and he was making one statue, and he would like to follow whatever Dronacharya, his guru, was having the knowledge. So that he made one small statue kept under the tree. See that picture also I have shown you. Yeah, the keeping that one statue under the tree is respecting. Later he went to the forest and made a statue of Drona under the big old well-grown tree. One very big tree was there. Under that he kept it. He was worshipping. What is the meaning? Simple meaning you will understand. He began a disciplined program of self-study over many years. See, after keeping the statue, he was learning every day. Many years he was practicing the archery in front of the statue of Dronacharya. You know the story afterwards, what happened. One day he was learning Arjuna. He was equivalent to Arjuna was coming. He called, he met Dronacharya. You know the story, you know, generally. He was asking what you want as a Guru Dakshina. Then, as per the order of the Raja, there should not be no any other person equivalent to the Arjuna. He was having the skill of the Arjuna. So when he was asking Guru Dakshina, then Dronacharya told to give his thumb finger to cut and give. Really, he was giving as a Guru Dakshina to me because teacher asked. See the Guru Bhakti was having on those days. Without teacher he was learning. When teacher was asking this, that also he has given. And he learned many things. He accepted the statue of his Guru and practiced in front of it every day. Every one day he was coming and practicing very sincerely. That is the word. Every single day it is. He is another one more person we have to learn from his brave. He is a very courageous person. He was there also in the army. To learn. And he was the one person, first person in the world teaching to us on those days self-study system. You know what is the meaning of self-study? Without a teacher, learning. The online also one kind of self-learning only, because the teacher will be standing before you in the order of picture. This system he was only introducing those days. The online class was there in those days itself. Self-learning system, Swadhyay system. So he is another one more person who was supporting to the motherland. So students, all of you can decide, and some of the great leaders and the people present we have discussed over here, and lot of the people those who are there in the country to discuss the session. We don't have much more time to discuss this all the people, and by this I hope you all are inspired and motivated after learning, knowing this some importance and achievement of these people like Mahatma Gandhi, Tiruvalluvar. So these all things will make you to go in your life to select and choose the best way of your life skill education, and you can choose of the some of the subjects according to your interest based on the leaders. You can take as the model one or two of the people from this, or any other things whichever, or some of the teachers they were taking you in this Karnotsava program for from the beginning. You can adopt this all the system, and you can learn any of the doubts you are having. You can mail to me, or you can contact through my phone number, which I will share to you in the group. In the class group, I will post this. The class teachers transfer to me. You can also directly can contact. So by this, I would like to conclude the session. Before I conclude the session, I would like to thank Principal K.V. Annanagar, who has given me this good opportunity. Sir, I thank you. And also, I thank the Taranotsava program in charge, J. Uma Madam, who has given me this opportunity to interact to the students of 11th class, K.V. Annanagar students. And also, I thank the students of 11th standard, K.V. Annanagar, who was learning through online this Taranotsava program. I would like to conclude this session today. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Narsiman from K.V. Annanagar. Conclude today's Taranotsava class. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.